ಏನು ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕೃತಕ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬ್ಯಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸತೊಂದು ಆದೇಶ ಬೇಡ. ಕೃತಕ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಕೃತಕ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಕೃತಕ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಆಟೋಮೇಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ISD ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಡೈಲಿ ಸಲಾರ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಬಿಗಿನ್, ಲೈಕ್, share and subscribe for more credible news. The Karnataka government has prohibited the manufacturing, processing, packing, storage, distribution, transportation, wholesale and retail sale, display for sale and supply of analog or non-dairy paneer being sold as paneer across the state for 1 year, citing public health concerns. The Department of Food Safety and Drug Administration issued the government notification on August 17th. According to Commissioner Srinivas K, the restriction covers products made by wholly or partially replacing milk fat or milk solids with vegetable oil, vegetable fat or other non-dairy ingredients. Such products cannot be labeled, marketed, sold or represented to consumers as paneer. Under the Food Safety and Standards, Food Product Standards and Food Additives Regulations 2011, paneer is a standardized food product prepared from milk. Milk fat is a key component of paneer, and replacing milk fat or other milk components with vegetable oil, vegetable fat or other non-dairy ingredients is not permitted. The department said Karnataka has tested several paneer samples and found no adulteration involving vegetable oil, vegetable fat or other dairy ingredients. However, the prohibition has been imposed in the interest of public health. The order applies only to dairy analog products for which the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has not prescribed or standardized specific quality standards. It does not apply to standardized products such as frozen dessert, processed cheese and mixed fat spread, which are already covered by separate prescribed standards. Food business operators are also prohibited from using, storing, supplying or selling analog or non-dairy paneer for preparing or manufacturing any food product or food item. The Department of Food Safety and Drug Administration will take necessary measures across Karnataka to ensure effective implementation and enforcement of the order. Food business operators have been advised to strictly comply with its provisions.